ready to measure our rake panels, go ahead and find a profile in the panel to measure from, not the edge, but the profile. Then we'll go ahead and measure into that channel, minus a 1/4 inch when we're going into the channel. That way we don't fight it when we're installing it. Once we get that measure, go ahead and write that down. We'll start measuring each panel as we're going up, writing them down in order from eave to ridge. Alright, so once we get our list from the measurements up on the roof, come down here, we're going to do our rake first. We're going to find that profile in the panel, and we're going to measure our top and our bottom. Create a straight line, and you'll be ready to go to the cutter. After we're done cutting those, just reform the front nose and the back shelf. Then we're going to go ahead and put that in our pile. We'll have our pile in order from the eave to the ridge. We'll hand that up to the roof to install. Alright, once we get ready to install our rake panels, we'll get our pile. After done cutting them, they'll be in order from the eave to the ridge. And we'll go ahead and just start taking them off the pile and installing them. Just make sure we're reformed when we're putting that into that rake channel. Just slide them in and continue to fasten as normal. Bottom row, we go down through the top. Make sure we don't put any fasteners in where that rake channel is. And make sure we get our top fasteners in as well. And our side lap. Then we'll just take the next panel off of our pile and continue up the roof. Make sure my side laps are looking good. And start fastening those panels as normal. And just continue all the way up to your ridge.